Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the free alternative to ShaperBox. So the first one that you can actually check out is a Tull Filter 2. Now with this Tull Filter 2, what you can actually get and how it actually works is that you have completely free with no limitation host, sync filter, volume and pen modulation, spline editor for drawing custom LFO shapes, multiple filter types included, low CPU usage, but you don't have like multi-band processing with it, limited to filter, volume, pen only, basic interface compared to ShaperBox, no audio triggering capability. Now another one is Gate 12. So this is like another one that is like open source and it's like free and open source. So this is like another one that you can check out. Cross-platform audio and MIDI triggering, paint mode for drawing custom envelopes, but this is for volume shaping only. No multi-band processing, relatively new plugin, small community, no preset browser. Also another one, Flux Mini 2. So you can check this one out. So free with full functionality, customizable graph for volume and filter shapes, low and high pass filter modulation, clean motor interface, hosting. Now the cons is the limited effect types, no multiband capability, no time manipulation, fewer presets than paid alternatives. And STFU by Zeeks. So this is like completely free too, and you can like download it. But this is like volume docking only, no filter or other effects modules, no multiband processing, limited modulation options. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you and have a great day and goodbye.